Good morning, everybody. Cowboy Bob here again. We've got in the midst of a project that I started several weeks ago, and we're doing a little expansion to the awning that comes off the arena. And this is part of our Joy Pathway project that we're doing. And so we're building a new, extending the awning as a little bit of a drop down. So what you see here is about 2 weeks worth of work. Started out with digging some holes for these additional two posts, which were about, we went down about 30 inches, something like that. We got the posts installed, used the tractor to set them up in the holes, and then concreted them in, let them set for a couple days, and then started construction. But we ran into a little bit of a weather-related issue, and we've had 3 days of excess of 100 degrees heat, which not really good for me to be working out in. So I've basically done nothing for the last 3 days. So we're catching back up again. So what we're doing now is we've got these supports going across, and we're putting in the block and purlins that the roof will actually sit on. So I've got one set of them in now. And one of the Cowboy Bob's tips and tricks that I learned from the fine gentleman that actually built our arena for us, he showed me long ago that any of these boards that you get will actually have a crown to them. And what you want to do is you want to look down your board, and you're not looking for a wiggle, you're looking for a crown in the top. And sometimes it's very subtle. You look one side or the other. And what you want to do is you want to put that crown so it goes up. So over time, as these tend to age out and sag down, your roof kind of comes back into level. And I've actually done it both ways. I built a structure here before I knew about this technique, and I actually do have some sagging, if you will, in some of these, call them rafters if you want. So now what I do is I take a look down these boards, and you look for just a little bit of a crown, and the crown you're going to put on the top. And like this particular one, this one's pretty darn good, but I'm saying this one's crowning this way. So what I've been doing is taking these like EA. Okay, gonna put this here for a minute, like this. And then we do the old safely go up the ladder routine. Bring those up. We'll screw those into the blocks, and we'll have our second row done. And I expect this will probably take me another part of about hour and a half or so. And then we've got some trim boards to put on, and then hopefully tomorrow I can put on the metal roof that I went and picked up yesterday from the metal roof shop. So the latest and greatest, here we are. Thanks for watching. Bye.